9-in-1 cigarette lighter adapter. Joyroom cigarette lighter USB charger equipped with 6 charging ports and 3 cigarette lighter splitter sockets, which provide 154 W in total. Car charger adapter. Fast charge 9 devices simultaneously in your 12 volts 24V vehicles. USB-C car charger adapter perfectly fits with your GPS, dashcam, vacuum cleaner, car fridge, heated seats, and Sat Nav, ECT. Single socket power is not exceed 80 W, support cigarette function. Super Fast QC3.0 PD charging. The car USB charger multi-port consists 2 QC3.0, 18W plus 18W, plus 1 PD, 20W, plus 3 USB ports, total max 18W. The built-in intelligent chips of the USB-C car charger adapter auto recognize the distribution current for simultaneous fast charging, compatible with iPhone, Samsung, Motorola, TCL, LG, Sony, etc. Independent power switch. We upgraded the independent switch for each cigarette lighter splitter. Not only expand the lifespan of the USB-C car charger adapter effectively and saving you from repeatedly plug in and out. LED voltage display. Joyroom USB-C car charger fast charging with the real-time LED voltage display monitors the output of the car battery. The LED display will flash to remind the driver if the car battery voltage is too high or too low. Give you a safe driving, 12V voltage normal range, 11.5 volts to 14.9 volts, 24V voltage normal range, 23.1 volts to 27.3 volts. Multiple safety protections. The USB-C car charger adapter built-in replaceable safe fuse, comes with spare fuse *2, prevents overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit situations. Joyroom multi-port car charger adapter officially certified by CE, FCC RoHS. If you receive the cigarette lighter adapter broken or doesn't match your car, please contact us directly to find the best solution. What you get: 1 cigarette lighter USB charger, 1 user manual, 1 Velcro, 2 spare fuse. Top reviews from the United States. Great item with plenty of options. I was surprised to get an email from customer service asking about whether I had received the product and to let them know if it worked as expected. I thought that was peculiar, as usually vendors don't reach out to customers, so I wondered if it was a shoddy product. When I got the product, I was pleasantly surprised. It is well built. I like that it has a fuse that allows it to stop an overload from backing up into the power point of my vehicle. The application of the device with the Velcro strips was easy and keeps the product secure. Now when I travel, I can keep all the cords for the GPS, mobile cameras, GoPro, phones and laptop all together in one place instead of being all over the floor of the vehicle. I like that it allows me more power options.